Bolick looking for Watkins. Play broken up. Lamb pushing it. Yang with him. Lamb all the way. Nasa punong malinis. Somebody's got to take the shot. Paulie for 4. Bang!
Oh, just a timely basket by... Maski hindi na nakikita si Watkins sa harap niya. Feeling niya.
Tignan natin si McLaughlin if he can provide that confidence. Lamb wants it to be him. Back-to-back hits by Kobe.
That's specifically from Rainbow Country. Only 3 out of 15.
Bolick trying to show him.
Pero ito si Robert Bolick, pahingado dahil nga matagal umupo dahil
Nolia Meralco pagdating ng Biyernes.
ang hirap nun eh. Yung bang umaasa ka sa mga ibang kupunan talaga siya eh, no? Hindi makakuha ng magandang look.
Oh! Cyrus Torres launching it from half-court.
Yung bang trust nyo sa isa't isa. At yun, alam
Come the quarter-final round. Bakit po ganyan? Merong mga possibility ng tie.
pasok ka lang sa 8, huge blessing na yan dahil kinakailangan nila after losing 5, clear entry to our next level.
Watkins and 1. And legs pouring it on.
Kanilang body language, they're doubting themselves right now. First is your confidence should be oozing. Bakit? Dahil nga tapos na yung elimination round eh. At ang number 2 ron ay yung mga ganun mga tira. Wow.
Para sa scoring championship in the elimination round at least. In number 1 din naman sa assist yan si Berto. And look at him, he knows it too. Berto knows that he has clinched it.
you